Good morning, dear children. Welcome to EVS class. Today we can revise lesson 5 and 8. See, lesson 5 is about water. What is the importance of water? Yes, water is important for all living things because all living things need water to live. All living things need water to live. 3/4 of the Earth's surface is filled with water. 3/4 of the Earth's surface is filled with water. But the only source of fresh water is rainwater. We get fresh water from rain. Rain is the only source of fresh water. And rainwater fills ponds, wells and rivers. Rainwater fills ponds, rivers and wells. But a part of rainwater is absorbed by the soil, and this absorbed water is called groundwater. A part of rainwater is absorbed by the soil and is called groundwater. Okay, and what are the different uses of water? We use water for drinking, bathing, cooking, watering plants, washing clothes and cleaning floor. Okay, these are some uses of water. Okay, drinking, bathing, cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, etc. are some of the important uses of water in our day-to-day life. Okay, and next is sources of water. Well, ponds, rivers, springs, lakes and sea are the sources of water. Well, ponds, rivers, springs, lakes and sea are some sources of water. Sea water is salty and cannot be used, but we get salt from sea water. Sea water is salty and cannot be used and we get salt from sea water. Next is springs. In some places, water gushes out from under the ground. These are called springs. In some places, water gushes out from under the ground. These are called springs. And next, well. Okay, we dig wells to get groundwater. We dig wells to get groundwater, and we use rope and pulley or hand pumps to fetch water from the well. Okay, so a part of rainwater is absorbed by the soil, and that water is called groundwater, and we dig wells to get groundwater. We use rope and pulley or hand pumps to fetch water from well. Okay, and next is ponds. Pond is a still water body, or in ponds water does not flow. Okay, and next is lake. Lakes are bigger than ponds. Lakes are bigger than ponds, and in lakes also water does not flow. So lakes and ponds are examples of still water bodies. Lakes and ponds are examples of still water bodies. Clear? And next is river. River is a flowing water body. River is a flowing water body. And river starts from the mountain and reaches sea by flowing through different places. Okay, and in some region, in mountain region, snow melts into water during summer season. In mountain region, snow melts into water during summer season, and this water fills the rivers. So in mountain region, water is plenty in rivers during summer season. Why? because during summer season, snow melts into water and fills the rivers. Clear? And next is how to make water safe for drinking. The simplest method is boiling. While boiling the water, all the germs are killed. Okay, boiling kills all the germs present in the water. So boiling is the simplest way of making water safe for drinking. Boiling is the simplest way of making water safe for drinking. Clear? And next we can check new words. First one, water. What is the spelling of water? W-A-T-E-R, water. W-A-T-E-R, water. Drinking spelling? D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking. Bathing spelling? B-A-T-H-I-N-G, bathing. And washing spelling? W-A-S-H-I-N-G, washing. Cooking? C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. Sources, S-O-U-R-C-E-S, sources. Fresh water, F-R-E-S-H-W-A-T-E-R, fresh water. F-R-E-S-H-W-A-T-E-R, fresh water. Rainwater, R-A-I-N, rain, W-A-T-E-R, water, rainwater. Groundwater, G-R-O-U-N-D-W-A-T-E-R, groundwater. Springs, S-P-R-I-N-G-S, springs. Oceans, O-C-E-A-N-S, oceans. Rivers, R-I-V-E-R-S, rivers. Hand pump, H-A-N-D, hand, P-U-M-P, pump, hand pump. Boiling, B-O-I-L-I-N-G, boiling. After this class, you should write and study new words 5 times. Okay, next is question answer. Why is water important for us? Water is important for us because all living things need water to live. Water is important for us because all living things need water to live. And second one, can plants and animals live without water? No, plants and animals cannot live without water. Plants and animals cannot live without water. And third one, how do lakes and rivers fill up? Rainwater fills up lakes and rivers. Rainwater fills up lakes and rivers. Fourth one, what do we do to get groundwater? We dig wells to get groundwater. We dig wells to get groundwater. And next is name the following. Any two sources of water. Well, pond. Any two still water body. Lake, pond. Any two flowing water body. River, springs. Any two uses of water. Bathing, cooking. So you have to write and study, name the following and question answers 3 times. Okay. And next is textbook exercises. Water is not important for us. That is false. Water is very important for all living things. Plants do not need water to live. That is also false. Third one, the place from where we get water is known as the source of water. That is true. Water from ocean is salty. That is also true. In mountain regions, snow melts into water in winter. That is false. In mountain regions, snow melts into water in summer, not in winter. So that statement is false. Okay. And next is fill in the blanks. All living things need water to live. Dash is the main source of water. Yes, rainwater. Third one, we dig wells to get groundwater. Fourth one, in small towns and villages, people get water from, yes, wells and hand pumps. Okay, so you have to study the exercises behind the textbook. Okay, and you have to study the question answers and new words. Okay, and name the following. and prepare well for the examination. Next is lesson 8 universe. Okay, after watching these classes, you have to attend a revision test paper. Okay, children? Good.